What was that? What was that? Yeah, suddenly
Jesus.
everybody becomes quiet.
Yeah.
Nothing to say.
Jesus preached the love of God, but in all of his walks, he showed the love of God too.
To people that nobody else would even look at
And in there,
or talk to.
I forget where I read it. I just read it last night. If we're supposed to walk as he walked, you use the word walk, and that's exactly the word that was in there.
Yeah.
Sit, walk, and stand.
And
Suddenly, there's silence.
he had compassion on many, and he also showed condemnation of those that made the temple marketplace.
He even made the whip. I didn't know that until recently. He actually made it. That means
Yes,
that
that
he was thinking,
contemplated.
yes, yeah. Alrighty then. We missed it.